Hi there, welcome to my KC class. This is Balkrishna here with the topic tense part 3. Today we are going to learn about the concept of tense. Why tense are 3 types and why tense are divided into each tense divided into 4 categories and how to identify those things that we are going to learn today. Okay, let's see. We know that tense are 3 types. It's a form of verb, yes. Why 3 types tense? Because times are 3 types: past time, present time and a future time. Hence we divide into 3 categories. And we well know that each tense has 4 categories. What are those? Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Just you see this tree chart, friend, so that you will get clear idea. Tense are 3 types: present, past, future, and each tense has 4 categories. For present tense has 4 categories, for past 4, for future also 4. What are those? Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Okay, then how to identify simple and how to identify continuous and how to identify perfect and how to identify perfect continuous, so that I'll give you one best example which will make you clear about this all. Let's assume it's a station, okay, and there is a train. This train name is Visakha Express. Okay, let's see, observe this so that you'll get clear idea. Look at, friend, this is the station. The station name is Visakhapatnam, and this is the station. This station name is Hyderabad station, I mean Secunderabad station. Here the starting point is Visakhapatnam and ending point is Hyderabad. Its destination is Hyderabad. Okay, here the Visakha Express starts from where? Visakhapatnam. Though it starts from Visakhapatnam, so that this train name is Visakha Express. This train always starts from Visakhapatnam and ends with Hyderabad. It always travel through this track. Okay, so simple is nothing but it's a fact thing. Okay, any simple, it's a fact thing which happens always. That is a simple, friend. It always starts from a Visakhapatnam. Okay, it's a fact. Okay, so that it's a simple. Okay, its action continues forever. It's then my next example, Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad. See, look at here, the train, it is there in middle point. It means it has already left the Visakhapatnam station and it's going on. Yes, it is there in middle and it is going on. It will reach to Hyderabad later. It means here the moving action is going on, continuous. Yes, progress. So far it has not reached to its destination, it's going on. Okay, so it's a continuous. Clear? Then we'll go through the third example. See, this is the destination, this is the starting place Visakhapatnam and this is the ending place Hyderabad. Now the train has already reached to Vijayawada station. It means here reaching to the Vijayawada action is finished. Okay, but its moving action has not completed. Yes, someone is asking about the train. Has the train reached to Vijayawada? Yes, the train has reached to Vijayawada. At the time of asking, that movement, I mean the action of the train has completed. Okay, so that here it's a perfect, but it has not stopped yet. It moves forever. Its moving action is going on. It will reach to the Hyderabad later. But according to the situation, here someone is asking about the train, whether the train has reached to the Vijayawada or not. When he asked, at the time the train has already reached to Vijayawada. So according to this statement or according to this example, we should understand that the action has already completed when a person asked about a train. Okay, so this is a perfect, friend. Perfect is nothing but a finished, which action has a completed. When someone is asking about a question, if the action has already completed before he asked or she asked, then that we call a perfect. And we'll go through next example. Our starting point is Visakhapatnam and our ending point is Hyderabad. Now the train is there, see, near to the Hyderabad. It means an action is going on, but recently it is going to complete. Okay, so through this example, through this line, we can understand that a perfect continuous. It means it has already started from the station and it's going on, it is going to reach. Okay, I hope you understood very well about this 4 line, how simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Simply I can say, friend, all tense are in continuous. All tense are continuous, but thing is that quite different. How it different, you have to understand through these 4 lines. See, I can say simple, it continues. It means an action happens always, it continues, it never ends. Okay, continuous, it has already started in past and it's going on, and when it will reach we don't know, it is also continuous. And perfect, it has already started from the station and reached to the another station already, but its effect is there for future. It has not finished, but it's reached to the destination, but it moves again. Okay, its action not finished, it means it's continuous. Yes, in such a way, perfect continuous also, it is going on, it is going to reach, it has not reached to the destination. Finally, I understood, or you should understand that all tense are in continuous form. I hope you understood well how tense are divided into different categories. See, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. This is the definition, friend, you have to remember, and you have to know these functions so that you can understand each way. We have already learned about the structures of tense, and we learned about the fact of tense, and these are the definitions of parts of tenses: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. How simple, how continuous, how perfect, and how perfect continuous. This is the logic you have to remember. In my further video, you will get the details of each and every tense individually. So far, you have to enjoy this video and try to know this concept so that it will be very easy for your further topic. If you like this explanation, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press on the bell icon. And please, friends, share this video to all your friends more and more so that everyone can understand in easy way. And please support me so that I will get more interest and I will be back with you new topic and a new concept. Thank you, friend. Thanks a lot being with me so far, and I will be back with another topic. Till then, enjoy this video. Have a nice day and bye for now.